Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between substitute goods and complementary goods. We all know that demand for a product is mainly affected by its price, but there are some other factors which can also affect its demand. One such factor is price of related goods, wherein the term related goods means complements and substitutes. In simple words, complementary goods are the goods that complete each other. This means that such goods are used in conjunction with one another, which enhances their value. In other words, these goods have no value when they are consumed alone. On the other hand, substitute goods are those goods that compete with each other, meaning that these goods can be used as a replacement for another good. So, let's look into the basic differences between substitute goods and complementary goods in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Substitute goods refers to the goods which can be used in place of one another to satisfy a particular want, whereas complementary goods refers to those goods which are consumed together to satisfy a particular want. Number 2. In the case of substitute products, the demand curve is upward sloping, whereas, in the case of complementary goods, the demand curve is downward sloping. Number 3. Goods that are substituted have competitive demand, whereas goods that are complements experience joint demand. Number 4. When there is an increase, decrease, in the price of a related product leads to a rise, fall, in the quantity demanded of the main product, then the goods are said to be substitutes. So we can say that substitute goods have a direct relationship between them. On the other hand, when the reduction, hike, in the price of a related good, results in an increase, decrease, in the quantity demanded of the main product, then the goods are said to be complements. Hence, complementary goods have an inverse price and demand relationship. Number 5. The cross-price elasticity of demand in case of substitutes is positive, because the rise in the price of a commodity increases the demand for another commodity, and causes the curve to shift right, whereas, the cross-price elasticity of demand in case of complements is negative. This is due to the fact that the rise in the price of a commodity decreases the demand for another, which leads to a leftward shift. Number 6. Substitute goods, for instance, tea and coffee are independent of each other, that is, they can individually capable of satisfying a particular want. On the other hand, complementary goods, for example, bread and butter, are interdependent on each other, which means that they are used along to satisfy a particular want. And, difference number 7, examples of substitute goods include tube light and LED bulb, soap and body wash, gel pen and ball pen, plane tickets and train tickets, LPG and induction stove. On the other hand, examples of complementary goods include petrol and motorbike, solar panel and battery, electricity and electronic devices, pencil and eraser, tennis racket and tennis ball.